Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Nail clipping is one of those simple tasks we all do, but what if there was a better way? We're taking a close look at the Fanyil EasyClip Smart Nail Clipper. It promises a perfectly clipped nail every time. But is this a genius grooming tool or just a gimmick? Let's find out. The Fanyil EasyClip's marketing is all about precision and safety. They promise a few key things. First, smart technology. The clipper is designed to automatically detect the right angle for a perfect cut, eliminating the risk of cutting your skin. Second, built-in debris catcher. No more nails flying across the room. The clipper has a small compartment that collects all the clippings, making cleanup easy. Third, quiet and fast. It is designed to be quiet and quick so you can clip your nails without a fuss. It all sounds great on the surface, but what's really going on inside this little machine? Based on some users, it is surprisingly good at what it does. The automatic detection feature is effective at preventing overclipping, and the debris catcher works exactly as advertised. The tool is quiet and the entire process is faster than with a traditional clipper. The biggest drawback is the price. It is significantly more expensive than a regular nail clipper. You're paying for convenience and precision, but for most people, a regular nail clipper is just fine. So, is the Fanyil EasyClip a genius grooming tool or just a gimmick? The truth is, it is a legitimate and effective tool that delivers on its core promise. It is not a gimmick, but it's also not a must-have for everyone. It is a luxury gadget that makes a simple task even simpler. My final verdict is that if you're looking for the ultimate grooming tool and don't mind the price, it is a great choice. But for the average person, a regular nail clipper will do just fine.